You should be receiving an email from me titled McNair Staff Email List. This is an email list of everyone who works in this building, from office staff to custodial staff, all your teachers and everyone in between. In order to use this to compose emails, I'm going to show you how to import the list. The first thing you need to do is open my email and download this file. Go ahead and leave the file up at the bottom so you'll remember what it is named. After you download the file, click on the waffle, choose Contacts. If you've never opened this before, it's going to try to walk you through a tutorial. On the left-hand side, there's the More option, and then you are going to choose Import. Once the Import button pops up, you're going to select a file, and you're going to choose a file with the same name. So this one is Google 3.1. I've had a bunch of these today. So go ahead and click on the Google 3.1. You should probably only have one. Say Open and Import. This will automatically import everyone on the faculty list. You can edit the name of this. You can say Rename. I titled mine McNair Staff and say OK. Once these are in your contact list, you can use this to compose emails. So let me show you how to do that. You will have to switch back to your email. You can choose Compose. And then whenever you are using a group email list, I do not recommend putting that in the To section, because anyone who opens the email can see everyone's contacts that are in your group. First of all, you may not want to share all of those contacts. Second of all, it's annoying when you open it on your phone. So you can send this to yourself. And then in the blind copy, you can type in McNair, and it'll pop up staff. All of the names, even though they popped up in the blind copy section, will not show up in your email. So make sure that you are ready to compose your email, and then you should be good to go. Again, if you need to access those contacts, they are here in your contact section, and you can access them at any time. Hopefully this will help you. If for some reason we add employees, you can add them to your contact lists by hand. You can go into McNair Staff here, and you can add to this. You can click on it, and you can click the red or pink, I think that's pink, plus button, and you can add someone manually. I often will send out a new import, and you can import, but you can you probably then need to delete your old McNair Staff. Good luck.